treasure hunt. Everyone's gonna explore the room and bring things back to the table. And you can use words to describe different textures. And when you bring your textures back, we can compare and contrast them.
But what happens if I can't bring my texture back? What if it's a blackboard or the sink or the floor?
You can describe the texture on these sticky notes. And just stick them on.
Okay.
But, oh no, wait a minute, I can't write.
Oh, you don't have to write words to describe something. Scientists use pictures and symbols all the time. Now, if you wanted to draw something that's bumpy, how would you do it?
I would draw hills because hills are bumpy.
Oh, and if something is smooth, you can draw straight lines. No bumps.
Great ideas. All righty, mateys. Let's start the texture treasure hunt.
You're a scientist. You can try this too. Arr.
It's time for our texture treasure hunt. Go explore the room and find a texture you like. Try touching all kinds of different things to feel their textures. When you found lots of different textures, bring them back to the table so we can compare and contrast how they feel. It looks like you found some really great stuff, and all with different textures. This ribbon feels soft, but this coral feels rough, and the fork is pointy on top. This sponge is scratchy on one side and soft on the other side. Let's draw some observations in our journals. Go ahead, you can color the pictures of the different things that you found on our texture treasure hunt. Think about the texture of each item you found. Wow, we found so many items today, and they all have different textures. Soft, puffy, rough, scratchy, and soft, and smooth. What a fantastic texture treasure hunt!
I thought the floor felt nice and smooth. I thought the wall felt rough.
Gerald, what did you find?
Yeah, I found that my earlobes are smooth and, the top of my lip is squishy.
Wow, great observations, everyone. Now let's take a look in your journals. Gabriella, would you like to go first?
Okay. I drew our rug. First, I peeled back the rug and touched underneath it. It was really rough and scratchy. Then I touched the top part of the rug, and it was soft and fuzzy.
Very nice, Gabriella. You discovered that the rug had different textures. All right, Sid, may we look at your journal?
Sure. I drew my shoe. It had lots of textures, too. My shoelaces felt soft, and the top part near my toes felt smooth. And underneath felt kinda bumpy.
Great treasures, me hearties. My scientists know so much about texture. I think it's time to play with all your new ideas.
Come on, let's go.
I'm gonna cover my whole face in sticky notes.